Alright, definitely a lot of good stuff in your video. There is some missed notes at the faster speed, so a bit of inconsistency. And I'm just curious if something like this will work out better for you. So yeah, just some of those higher speeds, it's still like sometimes you add notes during the 8th note section, sometimes you miss notes in the 16th note section, and even though that would happen, you would increase the speed anyway. So got to have more awareness of what's going on there. So as always, if you doubt any tiny little bit that something's wrong, assume that it is wrong. Only move up when you are like, yep, there's no way that was wrong. That was 100% right. Everything was perfect. Other thing, not related to this specific one right here, or last week, the last lesson, the last video you turned in, you mentioned stuff about wanting to work on down picking, rhythmic stuff, so we can always switch to doing that whenever you want here. Like, my giving you the stuff that I'm doing right now, these recommendations, are only because of what you first turned in, like the thing that you were practicing, and it was that kind of lead lick thing that I had posted about on Patreon. So if you want to do more rhythmic stuff, you'd rather do that than this, that's totally fine. And if anything, that's going to benefit you a hell of a lot to help make sure that you can hear everything well and you know where everything's supposed to be spaced and all that stuff. So anytime you want to switch to that, let me know. That's fine. All right, that being said, let's demonstrate this guy at some different speeds. And here we go. Same notes as before. Just change the rhythm up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4 and 91, 2, 3, 4, 1 E and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 2 and 3 E and a 4 and 1 E and a 2 and 3 E and a 4 and done. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. 150, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 181, wait, there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 220, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So actually the consecutive downstrokes, that's the thing that's going to hold you back. It certainly holds me back. But yeah, it's good to work on that anyway. So any questions come up, let me know. And yeah, just think about the whole rhythm thing that I mentioned. You want to switch to that, that's totally fine. And yeah, all right. We'll see you again in your next video.